today I'm going to show you how you can post one of your YouTube videos to your Instagram. This is going to help both grow your views on YouTube, as well as it's going to help grow your Instagram account. So first thing that we want to do is open up the YouTube app, and then you want to get to your videos. The way you get to your videos is just by selecting the U icon in the bottom right hand corner. And then from there, you can see where it says your videos. You'd go ahead and select this. Then you want to find the video that you are wanting to share to Instagram. I'll just go ahead and select the first one here. It's going to automatically start playing the video. But here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you screenshot this right here, unless you have some kind of other background that you're planning to use for your Instagram story. But the important thing here is to go to where it says share. So we're going to select this. And you might actually have the option to just share straight to Instagram. But I really like to make this into a story, so I'm just going to go to copy link. Once the link is copied, then we want to go into our Instagram account. This is a burner Instagram account for me. You want to go down here to where it says you, or your little icon down here in the bottom right. And then you want to go up here, select the little plus icon and go to story. Now I already screenshotted this earlier, so I would just go into manage. Okay, so now I would go ahead and select this, say okay, and I'm just going to post it pretty large like this for right now. Now, in order to get the link into here so that people can, click it and get to your video, you would select the little sticker icon right over here. And we want to go ahead and tap where it says link. From here, we can go ahead, tap, and then paste. And now we have our YouTube video there, so we can go ahead and select done. And now we get this little YouTube icon. And then from there, we would just post the video. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.